Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to add a custom sample line to a sample line set in Civil 3D corridors or Civil 3D alignments. So mostly the sample lines are related with the alignments. So you can see on my screen I have a set of sample lines. They are at 10-meter intervals. So let us say we need a new sample line across this. It is not perpendicular to the alignment, it is a skew sample line. So we get this kind of sample lines if we have some structures. So bridges at some locations, we want to get the skewed cross section to get the center line of the structure, or maybe at edge of the structure. So in that case, we have to create a sample line in a skew manner. So this is how to do that one. So we have a polyline here. That is where we have the sample line. So to do that, we select one sample line, then go to edit sample line on the ribbon, then select a sample line again from the drawing. So it will take the sample line group into the palette here. So you can close this one, then go to here and go to select existing polylines. Select this option, then select this polyline, then press enter. Now it will become a sample line. So if you press escape, now you can see we have a sample line at that location. It will show the chainage which where it crosses the center line of the alignment. So this at this chainage it is 335.13. So that is how to create a sample line from existing polyline at a custom location in Civil 3D.